Hello, this is the Rockymounts Gigawatt e-bike rack. I'm going to show you how easy it is to load and unload this rack. So I'm going to load two e-bikes onto it and show you it in real time so you can see how fast it is and how easy it is to load bikes. We'll load two bikes. One is a Raton Sequoia, which is a fat tire e-bike. The other is the Aventon Level 2, which is the regular commuter e-bike. The ramp is on, we're ready to load. We just have all the straps undone so we can just roll the bikes on and get the straps on. I'll pull the first wheel holder forward so that it's out of the way. So the bike rolls easily up the ramp. It's not too steep, so it's not too much effort to roll a bike up. The Sequoia is, again, 77 pounds. It's not light. Then once the front wheel's in place, just pull the front wheel holder up and then just snap it down in place and snug it up. Once the front wheel's snugged in, then just put the strap around the front wheel and then go to the back wheel and put the strap around the back wheel. The only adjustment you really have to do between bike sizes is sliding the rear wheel strap. Other than that, it's pretty all one size fits all. So there, the first bike is done, so we'll put the ramp over on the other side for loading the second bike. We use the ramp for the second bike, even though the level 2 you really almost don't need a ramp. It's not that heavy, but it's still over 50 pounds. And what's nice in this rack is that the bikes are far enough apart that the pedals don't get in the way of each other, and you don't have to tilt the one bike to get it around the other bike. They both roll up next to each other with no problem getting in the way of each other. Then again, put the front wheel holder in place, snug it down. This bike has a fender, so we're using the strap also on the front wheel. Then once the front wheel, get both straps done. Then slide the rear strap in place and put the rear strap on. Alright, then the second bike is done. You can take the ramp off, and you can see we did two bikes in under 3 minutes, and this was, with some degree of fussing, and, once you're really good at it, you can probably get closer to 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but again, this is still a really fast bike rack to load. So let's unload the two e-bikes now. Again, this is just take the straps off and then loosen the front wheel holder and roll it off. And again, because the front wheel holder holds the bike upright, so you don't have to worry about holding onto the bike while you're undoing all the straps. Just the only time you have to grab the bike is once you loosen the front wheel holder and then roll it right off. And just note, the wheels aren't over top of the ramp, so the ramp is very easy to take on and off. Some other bike racks that have ramps, the wheel's right on top of the ramp, and it's hard to get the ramp off underneath the rear wheel. So the first bike's off, then we'll get the second bike. Again, here we just undo the straps first. Then undo the front wheel holder. Okay, once the front wheel holder's off, then just roll the bike back off the rack and you're done. So there, we got two big heavy e-bikes off the rack in under 2 minutes, by myself.